I kind of promised the vehicle to the customer by 3 o'clock today, and where I'm having is a air distribution malfunction where I'm not getting air coming out of the defrost. And his main concern was up north where there's the temperatures drop. He's not getting the defrost to work, and his windshield's icing up and it's creating a safety hazard because he can't see out the window. So we got to make sure we nail it and make sure that the concern is addressed. This particular vehicle is a Sprinter. What we're trying to do right now, I'm trying to access and expose a stepper motor, which is called a blender actuator stepper motor. And what it does is it directs airflow inside the HVAC distribution housing, and depending on what settings you put on there, it's supposed to obey and kind of like go within those parameters and direct the airflow where you need it. And that's what we're having an issue with right now. And what we're doing is doing a software update, which is going to update the AC control unit and the SAM control unit. We both communicate with each other to make everything work. And after that, we may have to replace a stepper motor, which is going to require a relearn process, which is called normalized process, teach-in. And after that, hopefully we get it repaired correctly the way they were supposed to. Everything will work as designed. This is the communication unit that communicates with the computer. So we're able to get data streams and get measure values. So we know what where the stepper motor locations at, like their the degrees and the learn procedure. So I'm doing this so that I'm able to clear some faults and give me some clues of what's going on. I'm hoping by 3 o'clock that I am done with this vehicle. If he was sleeping on this car this morning because this is like a house for him. And he told me by 3 o'clock he wants to be done. So I'm hoping that everything goes accordingly and I'm able to get this concern done. So what I did was I follow a document, which is a bulletin that's telling you to remove the stepper motor for the recirculation and for the defrost for the window. Remove it, unplug it, plug it back in, and do a teach-in procedure so it learns its maximum and minimum values. Once it learns that, then you normalize the motor, and I finally got the airflow directed towards the defrost. And now we're working correctly. And what I'm gonna do is compare two vehicles of the same model that have the same system, and I'm gonna make sure that the values are correctly, really close, like the readings are really close in correlation. So now I'm happy because we're gonna be able to get this guy on the road as promised by 3 o'clock. I'm gonna assemble everything. Hopefully he'll be happy. And our number one priority is to provide service excellence and provide that customer satisfaction.